Hello students. So in this video I'm going to share the syllabus for IMO. So this is particularly for grade 10th. I have the syllabus for IMO from grade 1 to grade 10th. So here in in this video, just for the example, I'm sharing the syllabus with you. So as you can see the list of the chapters, so all the chapter listed over here are there in your grade 10th syllabus also. That is in CBSE, it follows CBSE curriculum, so it is there in your 10th board also. So the same chapters are here. The last section which you can see over here is logical reasoning, right? So the logical reasoning over here, I'll explain you in detail that what are the topics which you have to cover. Like, it seems a small chapter, but actually it's not. It is not a chapter, actually it's a list of chapters. So in details we need to cover this topic if you join this course. So in detail we need to cover this topic. So let me show you the list of the chapters which comes under logical reasoning. So logical reasoning is divided into two segments, that is verbal and non-verbal. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning. So as you can see that the topics are series, alphabet test, classification, coding, decoding, number and ranking, blood relations. So all the chapters we need to cover. So till here, till 12th topic, it's verbal reasoning. Now from topic number 13, it's non-verbal reasoning. So from 13, it's non-verbal classification, analogy, incomplete figure, mirror and water images, cube and dice. So all the topics we need to cover. So till 27th, that is data interpretation, it comes under non-verbal reasoning. So all the topics from 1 to 27 we need to cover. So this is the syllabus. You can say, you can follow the same syllabus for NTSC also, or for IMO also, or if you are appearing in any kind of Olympiad exam. So if you join this course, so it's going to be a great help for you, because by covering all the topics, you would be in the position to answer maximum question, in fact all the question in any kind of Olympiads which involves mathematics. So these are the basics of reasoning. Now let me show you one question paper of SOF. So as you can see that this is one of the question paper of SOF. The first section is logical reasoning. The questions will be like this, MCQ pattern. So see, so 15 questions are from reasoning. Then mathematical reasoning, the question from your syllabus. From question number 16, the question will be like that, where you have to opt for the right answer. The third section is everyday mathematics. So topics like interest, profit and loss, which we can use in everyday's life, are involved here. And the last section is achiever section. So this is the achiever section. So altogether there are 50 questions, and you will get a booklet like this where you have to shade your answer, bubble your answer. So for any query or any confusion, you can connect me with the number which I have provided, and you can write in the comment box also. If you want to join the course, then you can connect me with the WhatsApp number. Thank you.